Guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to teach you how to design your product cover image with AI. So we're going to use a particular prompt that I'm going to generate here before you, and you are going to see step by step how to get this done without wasting our time. Let's get into the video. Don't forget to like, don't forget to comment, and then subscribe. So welcome guys. The first thing is to get our prompt done. So it's ChatGPT that is going to help us to get the prompt done in order to generate what you want to generate. So the book, I'm just going to design this. Look at the prompt that I use. You are a prompt engineer. Write a prompt that I can use to design my product cover. This must not look like it is designed by AI. Design the prompt to get the professional results. No typography error. To overlap step and the image. So I put the product statue, I put the owner image, and I put the aspect ratio. So I'm just going to hit send. And let's wait for ChatGPT to generate the prompt for us. And it finished generating the text for us. I'm just going to give it another prompt in a text prompt box, easy to copy, because I don't stress myself to copy this. Now I can copy it as one. Okay, so I'm just going to hit the copy now, and I will head back to our Google Gemini to get this done. So here I am on Google Gemini. I will press this one. I will press create image, and I will paste the prompt that I copy, and I will hit send. So when I hit send, Google Gemini is going to do the work for us. So you just have to wait. And guys, you can see beautiful design that Google Gemini actually generated for us, and it does not look like it was created by AI at all. So I'm just going to download it. So you can go to lightpdf.com, then you upload it, you erase this watermark, or you can even crop it. Okay, you can crop it, just crop it and crop the watermark from it, and you are good to go. So I'm not going to do that one right now. So I'm going to press AI. This is actually inbuilt with my phone. I'm going to press erase, and I'll wait for that thing to create a brand new image for me. Okay, and boom, brand image has been generated. So now I just have to delete this one, and guys, you can see this is actually powerful. So you can just start and list your product, and you are good to go. If you have been following me, you will know that this is actually easy. So the prompt that I use, you're going to get it in the description below. The prompt that I used to get this one, I'm going to drop it in the description below. Don't forget to like, don't forget to comment, and as always, my name is Mike. I will see you in my next video. Subscribe.